Attorney General mapacho ka Dorcas Oduor omako chung' ni en ema en gi amuri kata sil mar piny owacho mitiyo godo e puodho winjruoge ma piny owacho bedo godo. Oduor okwedo lipode na amurino ne ogol e lwet Attorney General kendo ni kaka piny owacho gisiro lwedo jatend piny William Ruto maonge bagni. E wi wach duoko piny thuolo mag jotend piny bedo e kom, Oduor nokoni ni gibiro chiwo duokono e doho kaluwore ni gin achiel kuom joma nochwali e doho.
The custody of the public seal is the subject of Section 28 of the Office of the Attorney General's Act, Caps 6A of the laws of Kenya. This provision stipulates that the Attorney General shall have custody of the public seal of the Republic of Kenya. This particular provision has neither been repealed nor amended in any manner whatsoever. Accordingly, the legal custody of the public seal remains with the Attorney General, and as such, the Attorney General has and retains the in custodia legis of the public seal, namely the legal right to control, protect, and care for the public seal under the Attorney General's charge. And I am sure that we have had no problem with the issue of the public seal, apart from what is in the papers. And the government is one government. The executive is one executive. We work together collaboratively under the leadership of the President. So we are one. The Attorney General is a member of the executive under the Constitution, and the whole executive serves under the President as one, and we share responsibility. Thank you.